Yes, good morning, happy Sunday, guys. Yeah, this platform, I shared this platform some days ago, which I show you how this platform works to see if the platform pays. Okay, see if the platform pays. Yeah, let's go to my own withdrawal history. Come here now, I go to withdraw. See, I have zero balance here. Checking my record, I withdraw 59.17 TRS yesterday, guys. My wallet address, this is it. I received the payment of 59.7 TRS from this platform. That means platform is paying and it's legit. Okay, I was paid today around 12 a.m. which I withdraw. Yeah, that means platform is still paying. You can also join this platform and so make money for yourself, guys. Yeah, welcome to Global Gift TV. Talk how to make money and how to maximize money. Talk about different type of opportunity you can leverage here online. Okay, there is also a new platform which you can also make money for yourself, guys. Platform works is very simple. You have to register, to fill in some beautiful stuff, your username, your email, your password. After that, register your account. I'm going to drop the link description below so that you can also register your own account, guys. This platform works. This is how the platform works. This platform, you have to deposit first before you can earn from this platform. First thing is you come to this icon you see, deposit. Click on it, and the next thing to do is to click on this transfer to basic. Okay, after clicking on that, you can deposit through any of these payment recharge. Okay, these are TRS, PEP 20 USDT, TRS 20 USDT, Ethereum USDT, BNB and Tron, and everything will be converted to TRS, which you can withdraw with TRS because TRS has a low fee charge of 1.5 TRX. Okay, if you want to send the TRS many as possible, you will only be charged 1.5 TRS, which is not up to $1. Okay, let me see TRS. This level is very low, which you can accumulate it for yourself, guys. Let's say you are choosing this one, you call TRS. Okay, you copy the address, choose the TRS, click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to this where you are going to make the payment to the smart account. Copy it. You see, please do not recharge up other than TRS asset. After recharging, please click on submit. Okay, click on this after you are done. Okay, make sure you click on this after you have made your payment. Okay, as you go back, and next thing to do after making your payment is to come here. You see mining here, income. Where you see income, receiving your own payment every 24 hours, guys. Every 24 hours of your country region. Okay, you're getting your earnings, but their own is Singapore. You can check the time of Singapore to know which time you'll be earning your own deal. Okay, and you're getting 8.7% to 9% daily, guys. The beautiful stuff about this platform is that you can deposit through any of the payment I've mentioned above, guys. And any of the payments I've mentioned before, you can deposit with TRS, USDT, and so many beautiful things about this platform. So withdraw is very simple. You come to here, you see withdraw, and choose your account you want to withdraw and the digital asset. You have to fill those details there. After that, you are good to go. You can withdraw. Payments will drop within 1 minute. Your payment has been credited to your wallet address. You can also read more about it. Once someone gives you 29 TRS just for free, but you can withdraw it. It's just there to show you the trading of this platform, guys. And the minimum deposit is 15 TRX and minimum withdrawal is 10 TRX. It's 10 TRX. Yes, you can also earn more on the VIP if you want to earn more from this platform. You can copy your referral link and share it to your friends so that you can also join you and also make money for yourself. Here you see, after the charging on the basic account, you'll be getting your profit every 24 hours. See the charge, the first VIP which gives you 9%. Okay, it gives you 9%. Is from 15 TRS to 20,000 TRX for VIP 1. The second VIP 2, which is from 2001 TRX to 10,000 TRX, is the VIP 2, which will be earning 10% daily, guys. That means if you deposit 10,000 TRX in this VIP 2, actually you will be drawing 100 TRX every day, guys. Within 10 days, you are getting your capital back, which is the beautiful stuff about this platform, which you can also try and make money from it. Okay, second one, the third one, which is from 10,000 TRX to 20,000 TRX, you earn 11% daily. Is a huge platform that can pay so long, because I trust many TRX sites, or they have the longevity to last. Okay, here's the fourth one, which is 20,000 TRX to 50,000 TRX, will be earning percent daily. I have more and more. Okay, the last one, which is the last TRX, is the 1 million TRX. If you have that, you can also join. But that is a huge investment, guys. 1 million TRX, you're earning 9% daily. That means let's say 4 days, 3 days, you are getting your money back. But that is whole lot, guys. You can also read it to see, and you'll be getting 14% of your referral commission. Okay, but it's not compulsory to refer. In this platform. Yeah, this is the platform I have for you guys today. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and drop a nice comment in the comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.